Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to remove Meta AI. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, exit the Instagram app and open your phone's settings. Navigate to the app settings and search for Instagram in the list of installed apps. Select Instagram to access its settings. Scroll down until you find the storage option. In this section, you'll see options to clear cache and clear data. To remove Meta AI and its chatbots from Instagram, you'll need to clear both the cache and the data. Be aware that clearing the data will log you out of your Instagram account, so you'll need to log in again afterward. Once you've cleared the cache and data, reopen Instagram and log back into your account. The Meta AI integration should now be removed, and you won't see Meta AI chatbots in your app anymore. So that's basically how to remove Meta AI. So that's for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.